is in the blood. You breathe through your blood, not through your lungs. Because we actually think we hear with our ears. You hear with your brain. The sound is picked up and put in the blood takes it to the brain, and the brain hears. You hear with your brain, you see with your brain, you touch with your brain, you taste with your brain. The organ that takes the most oxygen is your brain. So when you're starving for oxygen, your brain's starving for oxygen.